Chloe.
Hi, Daddy.
Do you want to help Daddy cook?
Yeah. Welcome to Cooking with Chloe.
Today we are going to make tostones. And tostones are a delicious Puerto Rican dish. So here's what we're going to need. Chloe, what's this? What does it look like? Yeah, it looks like a banana, but it's not a banana. This is a plantain.
It's a plantain.
And you need green plantains, not yellow plantains. Just like bananas, they'll turn yellow when they get ripe. We're gonna need ketchup. We're gonna need mayonnaise.
What's that taste like?
Well, you'll taste it soon.
Okay.
What's this?
Garlic.
And what's this?
Salt.
Salt, yeah. And we're gonna take these and we're gonna mix them together and make mayo ketchup for our plantains. All right, let's get started.
Okay. Mix the ketchup and mayo together. Add 1 clove of garlic using a garlic press. Add a pinch of salt. Put it in the fridge to chill. Use a knife to cut the outside of the plantain. It doesn't peel easily like a banana. Peel all the peel. Peel off all the peel. That's a weird one. Cut the plantain into chunks. Add oil to a pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, put it in the plantain pieces. Let them fry. Then flip them over. Fry them until the edges start to brown. Remove the plantain pieces.
So the next step is to smash these. And to do that, you can use anything that's kind of flat. So I'm gonna use a mason jar to do that.
Once they all smash, fry them again. Flip them over. When they are golden brown, they're finished. Sprinkle some salt on them. They're ready to eat.
Boo. You ready? All right, it's time to try them. And give it a try. Ooh, you almost lost it. Try it. How is it?
Good.
It's good? Well, they're delicious. So, I hope you enjoy. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.